In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code blocks in Confluence. Let's start at the very beginning. Open Confluence in your browser and head to the page or space where you want to add your code. If you're already editing a page, click into the editor so your cursor is active. If you're viewing the page, switch to edit mode first so the tools we need are available. The quickest way to insert a code block is with the / command. On a new line, type /. This opens Confluence's command menu. Begin typing the word code to filter the options. When you see code snippet, select it. A formatted code block will appear right where your cursor is. Before you paste anything in, look for the language selector in the block. Choose the programming language that matches your snippet. Picking the correct language gives you syntax highlighting, which makes your code drastically easier to read and review. Now paste or type your code into the block. Confluence will preserve your indentation and spacing so your code stays intact and legible. There's also a second way to get there using the top toolbar, which is helpful if you prefer clicking through menus. In the editor's top panel, click the plus icon to insert elements. A search field will appear. Type code to narrow down the options, then choose code snippet. You'll get the same code block as before. Again, set the language first, then add your code. Both methods produce identical results, so use whichever feels faster for you. A few tips to keep things clean and clear. Choose the most specific language you can. For example, pick TypeScript instead of JavaScript if that's what you're using. This improves highlighting accuracy. If your snippet is long, consider breaking it into smaller blocks with short headings between them so reviewers can focus on one section at a time. Avoid applying normal text formatting inside the code block. The block already uses a monospaced font and preserves white space, which is exactly what you want. If you're pasting code from elsewhere, double-check for smart quotes or hidden characters that can slip in. Selecting the right language and pasting as plain text can help prevent that. That's all there is to it. Open your page, use the / menu or the insert button, select code snippet, choose your language, and drop in your code. With these two methods and a few best practices, you'll keep your Confluence pages tidy, readable, and developer-friendly. Thanks for watching and happy documenting.